Welcome to Empire Talk, the space where love, wealth, sources, and power are not separate goals, they are united. My name is Janice Irewole, and today we are not just talking, we are dismantling a habit that's been growing in woman influence for centuries. Here's the mind they never told you was a trap, that if you just explain yourself clearly enough, people will respect you. That if you give them your reasons, your history, your why, they will see you, they will value you, they will leave you alone. But let's be honest, over-explaining has never protected us. It has only trained people to expect access to our energy on demand. Today, I'm going to show you why explaining too much weakens your voice and how to replace words with presence that changes room without your mouth moving. Years ago, I turned down a business partnership because I saw red flags and I said that all this can get me into problem. I could have just said no, I'm not interested. But instead, I sent a 5-paragraph email detailing every reason. You know what happened? They argued back. They challenged my reasons. They twisted my words. That was the day I learned the more you explain, the more material you give people to push against you. And when they can push, they can control you. The number one thing that we will talk about this week is clarity versus permission seeking. Clarity is stating your truth simply. Permission seeking is over explaining to make others feel okay about it. One keeps you powerful, the other drains you. Number two, the power leak of over explaining. When you justify every boundary, every decision, everything you say, you teach people that your choices are up for debate. Number three, tactical phrases for power. This is what I have decided. That's it. It doesn't work for me. Say that. That is not aligned with my vision. No extra, no footnotes, no emotional depth. Just go straight to the point. This week, cut your explanation in half. If you normally give 4 sentences, give 2. If you usually text back a paragraph, try only 1 line. Let your decision stand without paddling. Let your decision stand without padding, and watch how people start to respect you and how your peace multiplies. If this episode sparks something in you, share it with a woman who is tired of talking herself into the ground. We are the women who stop handling out the script for our lives. We are the women who speak once and let the room adjust. We are the movement that doesn't explain, we influence. And when enough of us live this way, we won't just change conversations, we will change the world.